O daughters of Zion,
Wow.
O Abraham's sons, hear the words of your father, hear his promise of love. I will make you a blessing, count the stars if you can. You will be a great nation, I will give you this land. I will bring you back home, oh my children.
Wow.
You will no longer roam, lost and alone in the night. There is nothing on earth that could take you away. Once I gather you under my wings, I will bring you all back home again.